Hello, Raj. Good morning. Yeah, I saw the email on the data. Hello? Oh, power cut. Oh, perfect. Time for it to call. Hey. Hey, sorry, Raj. Actually, there was a power cut here. I'm on the phone now, yeah. So what I was saying was data classification, whatever they did, it was wrong from their end. So my model is perfectly in. Yeah, it's perfect. It is. So ideally, garbage in. Garbage out.
Adam, I think there was a lot of background noise and I couldn't hear you properly clearly towards the end. But I think you said your model is garbage, and I kind of agree. Your approach in this whole project was very casual, so we will need to redo the model, maybe a version 2.0.
No, Raj, no. I said my model was perfect. Yeah, and the data was garbage.
Okay, whatever. Where are you? Are you at your desk?
Eh, yeah, no, Raj, I'm at home. Actually, what happened is, Chelsea slipped and fell down in the bathroom. Yeah, and broke her hip yesterday morning.
What? Mahesh was saying that he saw you and Jalsa on your way to salsa classes yesterday evening?
No, Raj. Right? There's a problem with the Skype, with the power cut. Yeah. So what I meant was, Chelsea's mom fell down.
Oh, okay. Take care, man. I'm sharing my screen. So this is what needs to be done this week for version 2.0. Adam, you are point to get all this done, right? You better figure this out. Has visibility until Meg.
Yeah, I'm over it. Yeah, Raj. Yeah. Chels? Who is she calling me now? Hello? Yeah,
You
baby.
idiot!
What happened?
Our house is on fire. All our neighbors are calling me. I think it's the kitchen. Go now.
What lagi.
Hey, Jels. You there?
Yeah, tell me.
Hi. No, it was all because of small typo.
How can our kitchen be on fire because of a small typo?
Yeah, I planned to prepare some dinner for you, and I just microwaved the food longer than I should have.
How long?
Baby, I eat in 1 hour instead of 1 minute.
A small typo. Adam, when I come back home, I want our kitchen to be really clean.
Sure, baby, don't worry, I got this.
Baby, I'm really worried. I don't think you working from home helps us one bit. Baby, people think you are a cook, and some aunties even think you are an out-of-job house husband.
Who are these people? Can you tell me? Who are these people?
The bald uncle from B block and the fat auntie from A.
Arey baby, all the uncles are fat and all the aunties are bald. What to do?
What? Anyway, you are picking my mom up from the station tomorrow morning.
No, just listen, I have to go to office tomorrow.
But you are not off the hook. I have ordered some groceries online. Please store them into the shelves. Please give our clothes to the iron wala and make sure you put out the trash, okay?
Okay. Hey, Mahesh, what's up, bro?
Dude, how are you? Is everything fine?
All good, man. See, listen to me now. So, are you going to office tomorrow?
Yes.
Can you please tag me also with you?
Sure, why not?
चले सर
Yep.
Hey,
Dude,
what's
what's
up,
up,
bro?
dude?
All good,
Welcome.
man.
How are you?
Good, man. Not bad.
By the way, nice watch, dude.
Yeah, it's an anniversary gift too.
Great. Freaks, it's Tissot?
Yeah, baby. Then I thought you'd be getting a car, dude.
No, dude, I take it only for the short trips. From my house to my neighbor's house.
Come on, dude. Koramangala, Damloor, Tipsandra. Is it too far for you?
Damlur. It's not Damlur. It's Damlur.
Come on, dude.
It's not Tipsandra. It's Tipasandra.
I speak to him Kannada. ಸರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಭವನ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ ತಿಂದಿರ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
Okay, sir.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್
Dude, do you know how Tipsandra got its name?
ನೋ ಹೌ
Think about any famous king.
ಅಕ್ಬರ್
So once Akbar was commuting on this road and he was stuck in a huge traffic jam. So there was an old lady offered him vada and sambar and he did what I am doing right now. So can you see what I am doing right now?
ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಡ ಡಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್
Dipping into what?
ಸಾಂಬಾರ್
Now say dip sambar vada.
ಡಿಪ್ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ವಡ
Now say it faster.
ಡಿಪ್ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ವಡ 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 ಡಿಪ್ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್
So over the time it became Tipsandra.
ರಿಯಲಿ
Just kidding, man. So innocent.
ಸರ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಸರ್
सर पैसा मस्त है सर गुड मनी
ಗುಡ್ ಮನಿ
Sir, how if you don't mind, how much do you make in a month?
2 lakh per month सर
2 lakh per month?
इफ यू डोंट माइंड आप कितना कमाते हैं सर
Sir, जितना आप टैक्स में देते हो उतनी हमारी सैलरी है सर.
सर गाड़ी चलाना आता है
How was the traffic today?
It's good. It's actually good. I just had to take 1 week break. There have been days when I had to take 2 or 3, so it's a good day.
Adam, we moved to 5th floor 10 months back.
ಓ ರಿಯಲಿ ವೈ
Dude, don't tell me you don't know about the split.
ಯು ಆರ್ ಸರಿಕಾ ಫ್ರಮ್ PPS ಆಫ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೋಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಥಿಂಗ್
Adam, HPE and HPI.
ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಿಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ Hey, thanks. It's dessert, you know.
Yeah, Chalsa gifted him for the first anniversary.
A lot of changes, man. What this new color is all about? Yellow, green.
HPE for you.
Why yellow, man?
That's the standard HPE standard color.
You see, this is standard. Fantastic.
Hey Ajay, this is Adam. Adam looks
Hey, Ajay, nice
Now
meeting
he
you.
just decided to become Adam from office.
Oh, Ajay, right? I've seen and short intro of you, no? In the email, right?
Ajay is our newest and smartest
But,
user.
yeah, I've seen. I mean, it's written you are health conscious. Yeah, dude, I can see you're very health conscious.
I've never seen you at the office at all.
I'm on Skype, you know.
Okay, now you settle down. By the way, Adam, great initiative on the Cisco attack project.
What's this? What do you mean?
Dude, you only told Rajan in the Skype meeting that you will be the point for that project.
Really? What point?
Dude, open the email that Raj had sent that day.
Dude, I was on call, but the call got disconnected. My internet wasn't working, man. I was on the call, but I didn't see the screen clearing. What the hell is this, man? We do all the hard work, you know, and this guy will come up saying that, you know, you do this part of work, this part of work, and sure, he'll steal the show, he'll present it. We are only there to work or what?
Chill, man. We can sort it out. Anyways, that's the benefit of coming to office, you know. Come to know what people work on, you know, mingle with people. We have many teams here who can provide you this information. And anyways, we have Ajay. He can help you with this.
Really?
Yeah?
Hey, Mahesh. So, Mr. Sky.
Yeah, hello. I'm Adam.
Sorry, Adam. We have Paramita and Mohan's team meeting in Orange.
Okay.
They might have the data. We can probably go and talk to them. What do you say? We
I told you. Yeah, let's try it out.
Basically talk about, you know, the customer data.
Sorry to get crash into your meeting. Just wanted to kind of introduce you to Adam. Yeah, he's not a new joinee. He's been in the system for the last many years, but he's just visiting the office today. So Adam, just want to kind of introduce. This is Chandri from Kumar's team. We have Chandni from Manoj's team. We have Dana from Paramita's team, and we have Rohit.
Hi, Adam.
Hello, hi.
Who's part of
It's great to see you back after a long time.
Yeah, Jay, see, all this sounds fine, okay? I'm confident now we can get the data. The point is to implement this. Practically, we may have to stretch to achieve this. You know, stay late at office. By the way, do you stay close by to office?
Not close by. I stay in the office.
You stay in the office.
Yeah, I
Why?
See, it's no traffic, no power cuts, no, janjat. It's all, everything you get at the office. Peace of mind.
Are you kidding or is it real?
Well, it's true. I stay in the office.
Okay. Hey dude, by the way, who's that guy?
He's my stay at office mate.
Okay.